Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable link previews in your WhatsApp chat conversations. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, scroll down and find the chat where you want to send a link with a preview thumbnail. Next, copy and paste the link of the website or YouTube video that you want to share, making sure to include the full URL, like HTTP or HTTPS. You might not see the link preview right away, and that's because link previews could be disabled in your account. To fix this, go back to your chat list and tap the three dots menu at the top of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, find and tap on Privacy. Then, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Advanced. You'll see an option called Disable Link Preview. Turn off the toggle switch next to it to enable link previews. Once you've done this, go back to your chat and paste the link again. Now, you'll see a preview with a title and a cover image. Finally, just send the link to your friends or group members. They'll see the preview in the chat, and you'll also see previews when someone sends you a link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.